The more times you flood it and clear it, the ink is going to squish out and you're going to lose detail on it.
Definitely recommend taking the class.
I'm leaving here now with the confidence.
That's good though, good ink deposit there. And then you want to stop your squeegee stroke like right about here because there's no print down there, right? So you just stop a little bit. Pull it back and to my left a little bit, and I'm going to pull it all the way on again. Notice I don't come around here and try to pull it this way or pull it that way. I get the shirt where I want it by pulling it up off the platen, back, and drop it. Pretty good. You're good now. You got a light gray shirt. As you continue on and keep going, you should be able to do it just once like that and get it covered, because the more times, it's not, so this time it's not going on the shirt, it's going onto a layer of ink. The more times you flood it and clear it, the ink is going to kind of squish out and you're going to lose detail.
Talk to somebody versus
Hi, my name is Madison. I'm with Bobtail Apparel and I'm here at the screen printing workshop with NorCal Screen Print Supply. I came in here not knowing anything. I'm leaving here now with the confidence where I can start my own operation and take care of my customers.
You can watch all the YouTube videos you want and try to stumble at home and try to figure stuff out, but taking the classes definitely gave me that interaction to ask questions and to physically work through some of those problems that I was having at home. Definitely recommend taking the classes if you're one of the guys like me that all you do is watch YouTube videos and think it's going to happen. I really felt that this really made a big difference for me.